10 easy fixes you need to know when you have no internet. In this video, we will be sharing 10 easy fixes that will come to your rescue when you find yourself without an internet connection. Losing access to the internet can be frustrating, but with these simple troubleshooting tips, you'll be back online in no time. From basic steps like checking your router to advanced techniques, we've got you covered. Don't let a lack of internet slow you down when the solutions are right at your fingertips. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are here to help you overcome the frustration of having no internet connection. In this video, we will present 10 easy fixes that will get you back online quickly. So, let's jump right into it. Fix number 1: restart your router. Restarting your router is often the first and simplest step to fix a connectivity issue. Did you know that many internet problems can be solved with a simple restart? Sometimes, the router may encounter issues or become overloaded. To fix this, power off your router, wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on. This can often resolve connection problems and get you back online. Fix number 2: check cable connections. Ensure all cable connections are secure and properly plugged in. It's essential to check that all your cable connections are secure and properly plugged in. Sometimes, a loose cable can cause your internet connection to drop. Make sure to inspect all cables leading to your modem and router and ensure they are tightly connected. Fix number 3: contact your service provider. Get in touch with your internet service provider if the issue persists. If you've tried restarting your router and checking the cables without success, it may be time to contact your internet service provider. They may be able to identify any network issues on their end or provide further guidance on solving the problem. Fix number 4: use the Windows Network Troubleshooter. Utilize the Windows Network Troubleshooter tool for automated problem detection. Windows operating systems offer a built-in network troubleshooter tool, which can automatically detect and fix various internet connection issues. To access it, go to the control panel, navigate to Network and Internet, and select the Network and Sharing Center. From there, click on Troubleshoot Problems and follow the instructions provided. Fix number 5: reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can help resolve configuration errors. Resetting your network settings can refresh the configurations on your device and resolve any errors that may be causing the internet connection problem. To do this, go to your device's settings, navigate to Network or Internet settings, and look for the option to reset network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase any saved Wi-Fi passwords or custom network configurations, so make sure you have them handy. Fix number 6: update router firmware. Keeping your router firmware up to date ensures optimal performance. Outdated router firmware can sometimes be the cause of connectivity issues. Manufacturers release firmware updates that provide bug fixes and improve performance. Check your router manufacturer's website for the latest firmware version available for your router model and follow the instructions to update it. Fix number 7: try a different DNS server. Switch to a different DNS server for enhanced connectivity. DNS servers play a crucial role in translating website addresses into IP addresses. Sometimes, the default DNS server provided by your internet service provider may face issues. Switching to a different DNS server, such as Google DNS or OpenDNS, can often improve your internet connection stability and speed. Search online for instructions on how to change your DNS server. Fix number 8: enable network adapter. Disabling and enabling your network adapter might resolve connection problems. Your network adapter is responsible for connecting your device to the internet. Disabling and re-enabling the network adapter can sometimes reset any connection issues present. To do this, go to your device's network settings, locate your network adapter, right-click on it, and select Disable. After a few seconds, right-click again and choose Enable. Fix number 9: clear browser cache. Clearing your browser cache can resolve browsing-related connectivity issues. Browser cache files can sometimes cause browsing problems, even if you have an active internet connection. Clearing your browser's cache can help remove any corrupted or outdated files that may be interfering with your browsing experience. Refer to your browser settings for the option to clear the cache. Fix number 10: perform a system restore. A system restore can revert your device settings back to a point where the internet was working. If all else fails, performing a system restore can be a last resort to fix internet connectivity issues. A system restore will revert your device settings back to a previous state where the internet was working correctly. Keep in mind that any changes made after that restore point will be lost, so it's essential to back up your important files before attempting this step. And there you have it, 10 easy fixes for when you find yourself without an internet connection. We hope these troubleshooting tips have been helpful and get you back online as soon as possible. Remember, if you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your internet service provider for assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Stay connected.